Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am hoping that all of you are doing very well. Today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to lose weight naturally without any pills, supplements, or surgery. These are based on science and my experience. So, let's get into the video. Tip 1. Drink more water. Water is essential for your body. It helps flush out toxins, regulate your metabolism, and keep you hydrated. Drinking water before meals can also help you feel fuller and eat less. Studies have shown that drinking 500 milliliters of water 30 minutes before a meal can reduce your calorie intake by up to 13%. So, try to drink at least 2 liters of water per day. Tip 2. Eat more fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body cannot digest. It adds bulk to your food and slows down the absorption of sugar and fat. This helps you feel fuller for longer and prevents cravings. Fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which can improve your digestion and immunity. Some of the best sources of fiber are fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. Aim for at least 25 grams of fiber per day. Tip 3. Cut down on sugar and processed foods. Sugar and processed foods are high in calories, low in nutrients, and addictive. They can cause inflammation, insulin resistance, and fat storage in your body. They can also mess up your hormones and appetite, making you crave more. So try to limit or avoid foods that contain added sugar, refined flour, artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and trans fats. Instead, opt for natural, whole, and unprocessed foods that provide you with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. Tip 4. Increase your protein intake. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient, meaning it keeps you full for longer than carbs or fat. Protein also helps you build and maintain muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism and burns more calories. Studies have shown that increasing your protein intake to 25–30% of your total calories can reduce your hunger by 60% and your calorie intake by 441 calories per day. Some of the best sources of protein are lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy, soy, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. Tip 5. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a technique that helps you pay attention to your food and your body's signals. It helps you eat with intention, awareness, and enjoyment. Mindful eating can help you avoid overeating, emotional eating, and binge eating. It can also help you appreciate your food more and savor every bite. To practice mindful eating, try to do the following. Eat slowly and chew well. Eliminate distractions and focus on your food. Use smaller plates and utensils. Stop eating when you are 80% full. Listen to your hunger and fullness cues. Recognize your emotions and cope with them in healthy ways. Tip 6. Move more and exercise regularly. Physical activity is good for your physical and mental health. It can help you burn calories, improve your mood, reduce stress, and enhance your self-esteem. Exercise can also increase your muscle mass, strength, endurance, and flexibility. It can also prevent or manage various chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease, and osteoporosis. The recommended amount of exercise for adults is at least 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity per week, plus 2 or more days of strength training. You can also incorporate more movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs, walking the dog, or doing household chores. Tip 7. Get enough sleep and rest. Sleep is crucial for your weight loss and overall health. It helps regulate your hormones, appetite, and metabolism. It also helps repair your muscles, organs, and cells. Lack of sleep can cause hormonal imbalances, increased hunger, reduced energy, and impaired judgment. Studies have shown that sleeping less than 6 hours per night can increase your risk of obesity by 55%. So, try to get at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night and avoid caffeine, alcohol, and electronics before bed. Tip 8. Be consistent and realistic. Losing weight naturally is not easy, but it is possible. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. You have to be consistent with your healthy habits and stick to them. You also have to be realistic and set SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't expect to lose 10 pounds in a week or fit into your old jeans in a month. Aim for a healthy and sustainable weight loss rate of 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week and celebrate your progress and achievements along the way. So, these are my tips on how to lose weight naturally. I hope you found them helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your weight loss goals and challenges. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.